Welcome, my dear students in Prep 2. Today our lesson is about converse of Pythagoras theorem. We studied before in Prep 1 Pythagoras theorem. You can revise the video of Pythagoras theorem. Briefly, Pythagoras theorem said that the area of the square drawn on the hypotenuse in a right angle triangle, the area of if we draw a square in the right angle triangle on the hypotenuse, it means that the area of this square will be the hypotenuse power 2. Okay, equals the summation of areas of the two squares drawn on the two sides of the right angle triangle. It means AC power 2, this is the area of a square drawn on the hypotenuse, equals AB power 2 plus BC power 2, the summation of areas of the two squares drawn on the two sides of this right angle triangle. So Pythagoras theorem only applied with the right angle triangle. It means hypotenuse power 2 equals the summation of the squares of the two other sides. The converse of Pythagoras theorem in a triangle. If we have any triangle, if this triangle, in this triangle, if the summation of areas of the two squares drawn on two sides equal to the area of the square drawn on the third side, then the angle opposite to this side is right angle triangle. So this triangle is a right angle triangle. Okay, so this is the converse of Pythagoras theorem. If you have a triangle and you can notice that the greater side power 2 equals the summation of the squares of the other two sides, then this triangle is a right angle triangle, and the angle opposite to the greater side is a right angle. It means equals 90 degrees. Here we want to decide if the triangle is a right angle triangle or not. Which of the two angles is the two triangles is a right angle triangle? Let's look at the triangle number 1. We have 6, 5, and 7. We will take the greater side and we will calculate the square of this greater side. Then we will calculate the squares of the other sides and we will add them together. Okay, at first, the square of the greater side, 7 power 2 equals 49. The square of the other side, 6 power 2 plus 5 power 2 equals 61. So here, the square of the greater side doesn't equal the summation of squares of the other two sides, so this triangle is not a right angle triangle. Let's look at the second one. The greater side here is 13 centimeters, so I'll calculate 13 power 2 equals 169. Then I'll calculate 5 power 2 plus 12 power 2 also equals 169. Okay, so this triangle is a right angled triangle. Okay, so if we have a triangle, we can decide if this triangle is a right angle triangle or not. If we have the side length, we will calculate the square of the greater side and the summation of squares of the two other sides. If they are equal, so this triangle is a right angle triangle, and the right angle is the angle opposite to the greater side, which is the hypotenuse. Okay, that's all about our session today. Thank you very much for watching. Next session we will discuss the projections. Thank you very much and goodbye.